Kyle with Your Behind BBQ, and today we're going to do award-winning bacon-wrapped ribs. All right, we're going to cut these open. We're going to pull the ribs out. Nice marbling on the ribs. All right, what I like to do is I get a paper towel. And I like to just wipe all this down, all the juice. And then some of this hanging meat here, I'll go ahead and trim that off. Trim some of that off. Trim that off. We got another hanging piece here. Let's go ahead and cut that off. Other than that, the bone, take that off. That one looks good for me. I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that. This next one, let's wipe down. Nothing really too much. Take a little fat off. A little hanging meat there. That's about it on the trimming. Pull this over. We're not cooking the full, we're gonna cook the full rack, but then we're gonna slice them and then we're gonna wrap them in bacon. So I don't need too much of it to look straight or anything like that. All we need to do is take this membrane off, season it, and we're gonna put it on the smoker. So get a paper towel. Of course, it wants to put it in. Pull this back. Should come easy. Perfect. I'm happy with those. So now we'll start seasoning. All right, first up, we're going to use the Fergalicious Sweet. Open that up. Light coat. Next, we're going to use the Lutin Booty Everything Rub. Okay, now we're gonna do the tops. Same process we did on the backside. The Fergalicious Sweet, light coat. Cosmos Q Dirty Bird. All right, ribs have been on for about 2 hours. I squirted them with spray butter every 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. They look well, they look ready to come out nice and perfect. There we go. All right, next step, pull the ribs off. We're gonna flip them over. Now they're not done yet, so normally this is where you would be wrapping in foil, brown sugar and all that. We're not gonna do that today. We're gonna wrap them in bacon. So we're gonna cut that piece off. Cut each rib down. thin bacon, not the expensive thick bacon. We like to use the cheap bacon because it stretches more. It's more lenient when you go to wrap stuff. So now we're gonna wrap this rib real tight. All right, once the ribs are wrapped in bacon, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna season them again with Loot and Booty Everything Rub. We're just gonna lightly dust them. All right, grill's still at 300 degrees. And we're gonna set these in here. All right, so we're gonna use a half a bottle of Cosmos Q Original Competition Sauce. And then we're gonna use Cosmos Q Peach Habanero Rib Glaze. We mix that up. Should get a smaller cup. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.